Hi, this is Denise from Realize Your Art Garden Studio. And today I've walked away a little bit from my art studio and walked right into my garden studio or my greenhouse. I am in a zone 5, and this is a greenhouse that is adjacent to a permanent structure. And I keep it about 45 to 50 degrees through the very, very, very cold months of winter. And then I start letting it warm up right around the beginning of March and bring it up to its regular heat of about, well, I'll get to 70 or 80s during the day because of the sun. And at night, it won't go any lower than the mid 50s to 60s in here. So, what I'm doing right now is I'm opening it up for and cleaning it up for the spring season. And so, basically, what that means is for the winter, what I do is I should say, for the winter, I winter over all, sorry for the fast movement, all of my outside pots and planters. So I can keep some annuals that I've had, or I can start early some of those that have died back. And basically, what I do at the beginning of February is I come in here, clean everything out of its dead leaves, trim everything way back, start watering again on a frequent basis and feeding on a frequent basis, and begin to expose the plants to a good amount of sun. And this is still normal short season sun. And what they'll do is they'll start their spring rebloom, which is a little bit nice. So, for example, here I have my purple fountain grass, which was all, was huge with all the leaves, etc. on it. And I've cut it way back. And you can see that there's a lot of green in it, but you also can see that I let it really dry out, maybe watered once a month over the last couple months. And now what I'll start to do, as I mentioned before, is trim it back, water it, really soak it, and then start it on a routine feeding schedule. And then what it'll do is it'll start its spring growth. And by the time I'm ready to put it out in the yard, either in a pot or in the ground, it'll have its full spring regrowth and even some start of some of the tasseling because I've started it so early in the season. So basically, that is what I do for all of my overwintering plants right here in Zone 5 in February in the greenhouse. So I think that's it for now. I'm going to finish cleaning up the rest of my pots. Those are the ones I still have remaining up there. Get them cleaned up and get them ready for their early spring growth. All right, that's it for now. I'll see you on the next video, and happy gardening to you.